Introduce yourself.
Google me. My name is Nok Sunturanon. I am the chef owner of Kalaya Thai restaurant, Philadelphia. I learned how to cook Thai food from watching my mother, my grandmother, my great-grandmother cook. I cook from my memories. We come from a small village that everybody are related. It's family-oriented community. And I think I brought that value with me, and that's how, that's what we do here.
You had a whole career before cooking.
I had a whole life before. I was a flight attendant. I own an Italian restaurant in Bangkok, and I run a small jewelry store with my close friend in Thailand. I retired when I moved here, so I was home. I was a housewife. I walk my dog, I lunch, I go to yoga, and then one day I just woke up and I feel like I can't keep doing this. And then I found the restaurant space, and then I opened the restaurant.
Were you crazy?
I think so, yes. But look at this. This is like, genius and crazy is very thin line. I always want to be creative. I want to push boundary. But the best way for me to be able to do this is building the team, teaching my people to learn to cook my food. When you have good product, when you have good flavor profile, it's just like painting, You blend a little bit of, everything, you just put different color, and then you just make it work. I think, the Kikkoman based sauce recipes that we have is just so easy to create, endless possibility. It's a lot of fun.
Do you have any advice for cooks who want to incorporate Thai flavors into their menu?
I would say, just be adventurous. Don't be afraid. Play with flavors, taste the sauce first before you put them together. And it doesn't have to be, exact. It's not a rocket science. It's cooking. It's supposed to be fun.
You won't be upset if it doesn't taste authentic?
No, I won't. But if it's burned, I'll be upset. What authentic mean? It's your authenticity and my authenticity are not the same. Make it authentic, make it you, make it unique, make it personal.